Hello, happy Sunday. We just arrived in Montreal, Mont Royal Park, and this is the parking lot for Mont Royal. We just parked our car here and we'll be walking to the lookout. You can also get here by metro if you don't drive. It takes about 30 minutes or so to get on the Mont Royal top. So let's go and let's have a walk with me to all the way to the top.
My friends and how we like to wake up in slow motion, think about the things we never.
I'm not sure how this car got here because you can't just drive your car on these walking trails. But I just don't know how the car got into here, and we were seeing this car going all the way down and then came back again. So don't try to drive this way, this is not allowed. The rail trail was closed for the construction, so we had to take another path to get on the lookout roof.
My friends and how we like to wake up in slow motion, think about the things
Yeah, new store is full. Very nice.
we'll talk about.
Here we are, just arrived on the top, and as you can see, there's a lot of people today, and it's only 5 p.m. on Sunday, and people are just started to coming here, and I'm planning to stay for half an hour, then I will go back because we just parked our car for an hour, not more than that. We have planned to go somewhere else, so yes. So this is the one side view of Montreal for Mont Royal. And as you can see, it's beautiful. It's beautiful in evening, beautiful in afternoon, and when after evening, I just love it. I just love the whole view. When the lights are up and it's all dark outside, they look like dazzling stars from far, and I really love the view at night. People stayed up very late night sometimes for photography or just to enjoy the view. I'm gonna slowly zoom in to show you guys the Leonard Cohen's picture on the big building. At night they light up the building and it shows, you can see Leonard Cohen's pictures so bright even from that far away. Can you see? Yes. I love that street. It's always so lively, and all the patios on the streets. It's amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm just gonna show you all around a little bit more and the people in Mont Royal rooftop. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. That means a lot. Thank you. You guys have a good day. Bye.
We don't make videos for writing about the wrong restaurant.
Take one picture.
Okay, I'm taking a view. No. Selfie time.
No, it is.
Yeah, I'm better.
Yeah, but I don't know my phone. You guys, we have to leave like after. Yeah, I want ballet. You want to sit or no?
That's not a good idea, no.
I did with it. You want your feet picked up?
No feet, no feet. No feet is better though. Hey, can take your feet out.
I'm doing landscape up there.
Look at my banner.
I'll do one portrait. Let's go back. Go.